Day by day, our business style is changing. We want our business to expand more, our business to be successful. No business is offline anymore. Day by day, information technology is improving. So I think you can also grow your business online as well as offline. And that can be through social media marketing. Social media is a digital marketing strategy. But now that social media is knocking on everyone's doorstep, you need to respond if you want. Increase awareness of your product and organization quickly. Let the audiences know about the product. Increase product sales. Let the audiences know the special offers of the product. Make the audiences trust the product. Create a relationship between the product and the organization with the audiences. Let the reputation of the institution spread far and wide. Then don't delay. Start social media marketing today.